Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and network basics. Make sure your Vizio model lists AirPlay 2 support and you've installed the latest firmware. This prevents handshake errors. Next, put both the TV and your iPhone or iPad on the same Wi-Fi network. Use 5 GHz when possible for smoother streaming. Then open the TV's Apple AirPlay settings and enable the service. Once done, open Control Center on your iOS device and tap Screen Mirroring to find the Vizio. You're ready for pairing. Once you see the Vizio listed, select it. You may be streaming a video app or mirroring your entire screen, so pick the right option. If the TV displays a numeric code, enter it on your iPhone to complete secure pairing. This prevents accidental casts. For apps like Apple TV, Photos, or Safari, use the AirPlay icon inside the app for direct streaming. For presentations or mirroring, use screen mirroring. Make sure to adjust volume on both devices and watch latency. Wi-Fi congestion increases lag. To finish, stop mirroring from Control Center or select Stop AirPlay on the Vizio screen. This cleanly releases the connection. You can also use the TV remote to switch inputs or adjust picture and sound if content looks off. If streams stutter or won't connect, first reboot the TV, your iPhone, and the router to clear transient network problems. If that fails, confirm firmware and iOS are current and toggle AirPlay off and on. These steps solve most issues. If not, try temporarily disabling VPNs and interference sources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.